This is Varun Poekar from Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Physiotherapy. I'm quite sure you all are bored sitting in the home doing nothing during this lockdown period. We all have some hobbies to do, some creative things which we do, which we love to do, but we don't get time at all during our colleges, during our schools, during our offices, whatever you do. So I have a few ideas for you all people, which my friends and I will be telling you, which you can do during this period and use it effectively and spend quality time during this lockdown. So let's get started. As you can see, we all have such space in our balconies or in our windows where we can plant small saplings or something. So we can do some gardening and produce some useful vegetables or some things. Let's ask Priyal about this.
Hi guys, so one of the really fun ways of utilizing this time in our houses is by gardening. So if you have a small garden in front of your house, like I have this area, you can use it to plant your favorite vegetables. Even if you don't have a garden area, you can use those pots which are available at almost every household. So today I'm going to show you how I planted tomatoes. Without even seeds. You can use already present tomatoes in our houses. So for that, what you need to do is you need to cut tomatoes into really thin slices like I have done here, and then we'll plant them. So yes, so after 7 days we'll see these germinating. Till then I'll show you what other things we have grown. These are some ladyfinger plants, and that are methi leaves. And these are corianders.
Wow, Priyal, that was really very informative and useful thing. I will also try to plant a sapling here in my this pot. Thank you so much. Guys, during this lockdown period, we are trapped in our homes. So there are many thoughts which get stagnant in our mind due to no work or no routine as usual. So to tackle this problem, let's ask Jnanada what to do.
Feels fresh. So, guys, I'm utilizing this quarantine in improving my spirituality and practicing meditation. As meditation helps to improve your positive state of mind and makes your mind healthier, I practice meditation. So, I recommend you to meditate.
That was a brilliant idea, Jnanada. I will also start meditating soon. Thank you. We all have a craving for a dessert after dinner or after lunch sometimes. Let's see what our baker boy Saurabh has to show us.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets. Legacies, family, wait and see, family. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to for granted. This nigga bullet, you bandit. Hope the killers understand it. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family. I got broads in Atlanta, just to lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, honey killers on the helmets. Legacies, family.
Saurabh. I would love to have that cake. So, after this cake, one more thing I have noticed that on our WhatsApp status or Instagram stories, people are posting many of their dishes which they prepare during this lockdown. We all crave for that, right? Yes, I also have a friend like this. Recently, we have started Ramzan, the holy month of Islam. Let's ask Ikra what's her thing she's doing in Ramzan.
Hello everyone, good evening. As we all know, this is quarantine time as well as Ramzan time. So, first of all, happy Ramzan to all of you. In this quarantine, we have to be our own sunshine. We have to be productive. We need to do something at our own places. So, just get up and have a kickstart morning with being the best version of yourself. Find your talent and just have amazing time in spending your quarantine. All the best for your talent. But now, what I would like to say is what I do. So, basically, what I used to do is cooking. So, I would like to share a short video on that.
Wow, Ikra, those veg kebabs look very tempting. Thank you for sharing what you do during your lockdown period. Physical fitness also plays very important role in our life. So, during this lockdown period, how we can be physically fit? Let's ask our fitness freak Avi.
So this was a part of my workout schedule.
Hi, what I do during this quarantine? I do art and craft things, creative things. See, this is a mandala art. This form of art increases your concentration, this increases productivity of your mind, and this also helps relax your mind. It increases your thinking ability, your creativity, and also it's also time consuming, so you can spend much quality time doing this work. But let's ask our artist Ruthvi what she's doing during this quarantine.
Hey there. Quarantine can be tough for all of us, but it is an opportunity to go back to those hobbies and relive them again. And try something new as well. Make this quarantine worthwhile and rejuvenate yourself from within. Well, actually, I am doing though.
That was amazing art, Rutvidi. I loved it. After art, the other thing which we love is music and dance. I have a very beautiful friend of mine, Dimple, who is the best dancer I have seen in years. Let's see what she is doing during this quarantine. Yes, that was the fantabulous performance, Dimple. Thank you so much. So, after this dance, the other thing which comes in our mind is movies. I'm quite sure you all have seen the Marathi Sairat, in which the characters Archie and Parsha are very famous. We also have one Archie here. Let's see what she's doing during this quarantine. Wow, Shruti, that was amazing skill you learned during this quarantine time. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. Many people love reading books during their leisure time. Let's ask Shruti which book she suggests us to read during this quarantine time.
Hi everyone, I'm spending my quarantine days by reading one of my best author's novels. These are The Power of Your Subconscious Mind and The Power of the Positive Thinking. The best novels I've ever read. So even if you have interest or hobby in reading, please do so. So stay home, stay safe and preserve your hobby.
After all these things, the one thing we should not forget is our studying. Yes, studies, because our college will start soon after this lockdown gets over. Let's ask Chahat what she has to say about it.
Hello. So during this quarantine, I am spending my time in studies. Sounds sad? Yeah, because who wants to study at home? But we all know that we have to give exams after the lockdown. So what I am doing is that I prepare one topic and then I connect to my 3 friends on webinar app which has video conferencing and screen sharing option available. Basically, I teach them and later on we discuss all the doubts regarding that topic. An easy way to motivate and study yourself.
So guys, this is how me and my friends spend our time in quarantine lockdown and do some creative things and give time to our hobbies. You also please try to use this time effectively and productively. Do the hobbies for which you don't get time during your college time or your offices. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let's end the video with some fun. Keep watching.
कोरोना व्हायरस होऊ नये याचा मंत्र.
Corona go, Corona go, go Corona, go Corona, Corona go, Corona go, go Corona, go Corona, go Corona.